Alright, you're going to do the odds again. That's my dog Boomer on top. I guess I could have put a little picture of him in there, but that's exactly what he looks like. So, anyways, he's hungry, so don't forget to feed the dog. Okay? Always use your little sticky note. Alright, so you're going to do the odds, which I did not write up there because I was too busy drawing a dog. Do the odd numbers. Somebody already did number 1 for you. Wasn't me. There you go. Why is it negative 3 6/10? Because your integer rules or your negative and positive multiplying rules, a negative times a positive is a negative, and then 9 times 4 is 36. But you got to feed the dog 1 time with that guy right there. Okay, let's do, I'm going to sit back and get comfy and maybe mute my television real quick. So I'm watching golf. Let's go to number 7. Number 7 is a positive times a negative. So our signs, positive times a negative, looks like they got hit in the face, so they're feeling a little sad. Okay, so the answer is going to be something negative. Okay, we are going to see how many decimal places we have. There's 1. I'll write it up above because I'm going to run out of space. And right here, 1, 2. Put those together. There's going to be 3 decimals in our answer. Okay. So now all I have to do, I just erase my negative sign. There we go. Now all I have to do is, because I've already removed the decimal. Okay? So I'm just going to put it back in the answer. So now all I actually have to multiply is 15 times 21. Okay? 15 times 21. So this is pretty easy. 15 times 1. So I'm multiplying this right here first. 15 times 1 is just 15. Don't forget your placeholder. You got to hold its place. And now it's just 2 times 15, which is 30. Add them up. That is 315. Remember, it is a negative. 315 right there. Don't forget to feed the dog. Where's my camera? There it is. 3 times. Feed the dog 3 times from the end. Once, twice, 3 times. I'm going to erase that. So the decimal would be right here. Negative 315 thousandths. Okay. Let's go to. How about number 25? I'll help you with number 25. And then the rest is up to you. Okay? It's not that many problems, really. So, number 25. Think about your signs, or your rules. We have a negative and a negative. Negative times a negative. Looks kind of normal, right? No eyes are messed up, so he's feeling good. Like I should. So our answer is going to be positive, so I don't have to worry about these negative signs anymore. Now my 2 numbers, I have 1 decimal there, once, twice, 2 decimals there, and if I add those up, I am going to feed the dog 3 times. Okay, so let's not forget that. I'm going to leave that over there. Don't forget. And now I just have 61. Because the negatives are gone, right? We know our answer is positive. The decimals are gone because I wrote my sticky note over there. 61 times 101. So 101 times 61. All right, so right here, I'm just multiplying 1 times 101, right? That's easy money. 1 times anything is whatever itself is. So the first product is 101. So let's put our placeholder in down there because we've already multiplied that spot. And now 6 times 101. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 0 is 0. And 6 times 1 is 6. Add them up. 1, 6, 1, 6. So it is 6,161. What did I forget? Feed the dog. Feed the dog. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 6 and 161 thousandths. Okay, you have all of the odds to do. Multiply, estimate. I know that some of these, always listen to your teacher, whatever they tell you, okay, if you're not actually in my class. Some of these say multiply and then estimate to check whether each answer is reasonable or something like that. I practice estimating in my class, so I do not require my class to do that. So you have all of the odds, except I'm thinking the reason these aren't circled down here is because you don't have to do them. Okay? But like I said, if your teacher tells you to do the whole page of the odds, you need to do that. So I'm going to read number 27 for you. It says, while walking, Laura averaged 3.63 or 3 63/100 miles per hour. How far did she walk in 1.5 hours or 1.5 hours? Okay, so all you have to do is, obviously the page is multiplying, so I bet you know what to do on number 27. Just don't forget to feed the dog. Keep Boomer happy. Have a good day.